Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Marta and I'm so happy to have you here. First of all, I would like to wish you all a happy new year. I hope you had fun with your friends and family, and I hope this new year is full of joy and happiness and love. If you are new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button to be a part of this little family and turn on the bell notification so you won't miss any of my videos. I do upload videos in English and in Spanish. In today's video, I'm going to share with you another amazing mascara, and you can already obviously see the difference right here. I only have it on these eyelashes, and it's this mascara right here. It's not new. It's new to me, but I've seen it in the stores for a long time, and I decided to try it out, and it's now one of my favorites. So I'm going to show you how I apply it and why I love this mascara. So first I'm going to curl my lashes, and you want to make sure all the little hairs are in the eyelash curler. And I know I'm gonna be getting questions on where I got the eyelash curler. This one's from Target. I keep forgetting the name of the brand, but it was just $2 and it's the best eyelash curler I've tried. I will put the link in the description box in case you want to try it out. And then once I just leave it there for like 10 seconds, and once it's time to let go, I keep curling it like that. I just keep squeezing it. That way they can like really curl. So here's a close-up of the mascara. The wand is a little bit smaller than I like, and here's a comparison with one of my favorite mascaras. It's also from Maybelline, the Colossal Volume Express. It's pretty much the same brush, like the bristles, they're the same. It's just the brush is smaller. I do have to mention one thing really quick though, because I know I always get a lot of comments on this. I know my eyelashes are already naturally pretty long, but not every mascara gives me the same results. There are some mascaras I don't like at all because they either weigh my lashes down as soon as I apply the mascara. They get clumpy. I don't like how they separate my lashes. It's not a like good formula, so it doesn't leave my eyelashes the same. I just have to say that before I start because I know people are gonna think that every mascara is gonna have my eyelashes looking like this since they're already naturally long, but not true. So I'm just gonna start applying this on my eyelashes. I'm gonna do it the same technique I always do. I go back and forth as I'm twisting the brush and brushing them up, and at the same time making sure I kind of close my eye to push the eyelashes against the brush. That way all the little hairs can be coated with the mascara. Since the brush is a little bit smaller, I do feel like I need to put a little more pressure to apply the perfect amount of mascara. And this review is for those of you that are looking for mascara that'll give you volume and length and keep your eyelashes curled. And a big plus is the no smudging, no transferring, no clumps. And this is waterproof mascara, and in order for me to remove it completely without struggling, I had to use baby oil. Sometimes I like to take my tweezers in case I see any like eyelashes that are stuck together or anything to kind of separate them. I can tell this mascara gives volume, and I go over the tips just a little bit to add product on the very tip of the lashes. There I don't apply a lot of pressure because I don't want them to look too exaggerated, but to me it just leaves it perfect. The perfect amount of product, and I just love to see the before and after. These are obviously not even curled, so you can barely even see them, but I love how my eyelashes look. So here's the mascara. Again, I'm obviously going to add this to one of my favorite mascaras, drugstore mascaras. I'm gonna put it in the description box below in case you want to buy it. Before I leave, I do have a little announcement to make. I will be uploading, I don't know if you guys already noticed, but I have been uploading more videos in English, and I will continue to do that. I will upload the same video, English and Spanish, the same day. It's just gonna be different hours because it's kind of hard to edit 2 videos the same day. But just know that any video that's in Spanish will also be in English. Anyways, thank you guys so much for all of your love and your support. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!